Hi, welcome to Fusion Kitchen. Today I am making Christmas marshmallows. It's a very popular treat during Christmas. So let's start. First we are going to take 3/4 cups of cold water. It's important the water is cold. And we are going to put it in a bowl. Then we are going to use about 3.5 envelopes of gelatin. That comes to about 3.5 tablespoons of gelatin. Whisk it lightly for just a few seconds and keep this aside. Now, in a pan over medium-high heat, we are going to mix 3/4 cups of water, 2 cups of granulated sugar, and we are going to take about 2/3 cups of honey. You can use any honey available in the market. Stir this till the sugar melts. This will take a few minutes. Now once the sugar has melted, let the mixture come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, we are going to stop stirring and let it reach a soft ball consistency. This means that when it is dropped into cold water, it becomes a soft ball. This takes at least 20 minutes. Now we are going to pour this into the gelatin mixture. We are going to let it sit for 1 minute and then we will whip it using an electric hand mixer for at least 15 minutes. This step is very important. Now we're going to add about half teaspoon of vanilla essence and we'll whisk it. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of pink food coloring and whip it till the mixture is very thick and double in size. Now we're going to take a 9-inch pan and I've greased it with a little butter. Do not over grease it. Grease the sides too, and then I've dusted with a little corn flour. Dust off the excess. And now we're going to pour this smooth batter into the cake pan. The batter will be naturally smooth. There's no need to smoothen it out. Cover with aluminium foil and you place it in the refrigerator, preferably overnight, so that it sets. Now we're going to loosen the sides of the pan. You can cut it straight away on the pan itself. But if you want, you can loosen the sides and then place it on a plate, dust it with corn flour and then cut it into squares. Dust it with corn flour so that it doesn't stick. And keep it. Preferably store them in the fridge. These marshmallows have a store-bought texture and taste. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.